Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the camera movement effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then scroll down to find the camera movement effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, and we're going to place it to the beginning of the clip. And if we want it to be the entirety of the clip, we can just drag it to the end of the timeline or the clip we want the effect to be active on. Now, with the effect being highlighted, we're going to go up to Special Effects, and we can mess with the blur, the strength, the glow, the size, and the speed, and also add keyframes to it. You guys should mess around with these settings as you'd like to fit your effect needs. And so now let's check it out. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.